Hi all, good morning. So we'll see different data types in Python. We have five data types in Python. One is numeric, and the second one string, and third one list, and fourth one tuple, and fifth one dictionary. Dictionary. So we'll walk through one by one each data type, and we'll see some normal the basic examples and how we are going to use. First, we'll start with the numeric data type. So let's say a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. In Python, it's very intelligent. You don't need to specify the data type, which data type like Java and C sharp. So there we used to write like this int data type variable, and after that value, and that is not required in Python. Just you can provide the variable, and after that the value. And here c equal to a plus b. Print c. So in other language we have system.out.println, and in C sharp we have console.writeline. But when it comes to the Python, just we have a print and c. So now let's execute this program, so you can see the result of 11. This is the print. And similarly for the string data types, testing ignore. So, and before going to this, so if you hover on a variable a, you see here it is saying str string. This is a string data type. But if you hover on here, it will give the int data type. That is how the Python, it is very intelligent. So you don't need to specify the data, which data type it is. If you provide the values between the within double quotes, it will treat as a string. If you don't provide, if you directly assign the value like this, then it will consider as it's an integer data type. And similarly, you want to know the which type of it is, just provide the type of a, and simply print type of b, so we'll get the which type it is. uh, let's execute this program. Oh, oops. See, this is not possible. This addition is this one is not possible because this is the string and this is the integer. That is the reason we are getting the uh, error. Let's comment this code and execute. So now you can see here, so this a is called type a string, and b a type called int, so integer type. Okay, so now this is all about the uh, string data type. Let's see test. Now just uncomment this code and print c. When you print c, let's debug the execute this testing ignore and test. The both are concatenated because of same data type. The earlier one, it is a different data type. That is the reason it is not yet concatenated. We got the error. Now we have a list. So the third one is a list data type. For the list one equal to open square brackets uh, index 1, index 2, and index 3. So now if you print list 1 of 0 position, this index is 0 and this index is 1, this index is 2. Let's run your program. You can see the 0th index, that is a test, and the list is the mutable means assignment is possible, but whereas in immutable the assignment is not possible. We'll see that example as well. Let's see list 1 of uh, 2 equal to updated. In Python we need to follow the indentation properly, otherwise that will give warnings, but it won't halt your program, but execution, just it will give the warning. Let's print this, print list 1. if you print the list one, if you see here, test 2 and updated. But whereas earlier we have this. So now we are updated this with updated. So that assignment is possible with the list. But whereas in a tuple, so the major difference between the list and tuple is this: list is the mutable, and assignment is possible. But whereas a tuple is the immutable, so you can't do any assignment. Let's try list one, and how Python will understand based on the, so that for list we have square brackets, but for tuple we have this just open bracket. Test comma 1 comma ignore. So now list 1 of 0 equal to list 1 equal to testing, and go and print list 1. So now if you execute this one, see, it is clearly saying for the tuple object does not support the item assignment. So this is not possible. This is the immutable. So you cannot do any assignments. But whereas in list you can do it. So now just print the list. Print list of 0. We are getting the value test. Similarly, 1 will get the value 1. If you provide 2, the index 2, let's execute, ignore. And the last one, dictionary. So and in the dictionary, we need to specify the key and the value. Key and value. Let's say dictionary equal to, for here, how Python will understand based on, here we have flower brackets open and close. 1 test comma 2 test 1. So now print dictionary of first one. So now let's execute this. See, the first, this is the key and this is the value, and similarly this is the key and this is the value. What is the first key? One key is having the value test, and 2 key is having the value test 1. Let's so if you provide the index 0, sorry, you need to specify the key and value. See, we for one key we have a test, and for second key we have a test 1. So here it won't consider the index, but whereas list and tuple, it is consider the index, but here you need to specify the key. So based on that, it will get the value for the key. And see, so here this is the we are provided 1 and 2, and simply you can provide the test and key, and value is 3. Okay, so now if you provide the key test, it should retrieve the value of for the test, that is a 3. Let's run this program. So you will get the value of test. This is the key and the value is 3. So this is about the dictionary. So this is the basic data type. So in depth for numeric we have int, float, and log, and this is string, list, tuple, dictionary. So these are the basic data types, and in future class we'll discuss more. That's all for this session. Thank you very much.